Achieving true digital transformation requires more than just technology. It demands seamless coordination across the entire enterprise, encompassing application developers, systems administrators, security practitioners, and business stakeholders. Red Hat Lightspeed is an end-to-end system management tool that can help you better align with and equip these domains within your organization. It's no secret that business needs are driving application development faster and faster. If your IT teams are struggling to keep up and they're looking for ways to maintain a lifecycle around their application pipelines, Red Hat can help. Red Hat Lightspeed supercharges your subscription with proactive AI-powered management and advanced security capabilities woven into your existing Red Hat experience. Gain visibility into business, operations, and security risks to proactively identify and mitigate issues across your infrastructure before they impact your bottom line. Like having an extra pair of eyes that analyze data across all footprints, Red Hat Lightspeed highlights things like performance patterns and configuration changes that could impact performance, prioritizes alerts based on what's most important to you, and recommends remediation based on over 20 years of Red Hat knowledge and expertise. Included with your Red Hat subscription, Red Hat Lightspeed delivers the enhanced security, visibility, and application stability for infrastructure and DevOps teams to stay ahead of critical operational issues and coordinate your development, security, and operations teams more effectively so applications can be built, deployed, and managed as fast as the business requires. Learn more and get started today.